Hi everyone, my name is Sandra and I'm with the Dallas Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make our Knitting Nancy activity kit. So when you get your kit, you're going to get a little ball of yarn, 2 pieces of masking tape, 5 craft sticks, and 1 cardboard tube. You will then need to get a marker, pair of scissors, and a glue stick from home. So what we have to do first is put these popsicle sticks on the tube. And the glue is optional, but I have found that it's a lot easier to do this if you go ahead and put glue down to hold the sticks onto the tube. So let's get some glue out here. And you're going to want to try to space these evenly across and leave about 3/4 of an inch at the top, because this is what we're going to use to knit with. Oops, that happens. The tape will hold it on better. The glue is just kind of a placement. It's a little difficult to try to put these sticks on without the glue. If that happens, just put a little more glue on. Tell you what we're going to do. I got those 3 stuck there. We're going to go ahead and start with the tape. And I'm going to put 1 piece around the top, and there'll be 1 piece around the bottom. I don't think for these other 2 I'm going to use the glue because I'm almost here, so we're just going to do that. Like I said, the glue is optional. It's supposed to help hold them on there. And mash it around so it's really sticking good. And then we're going to take the second piece of tape and put that around the bottom here to hold it. Oops, that can happen too. Tape likes to stick to itself. Okay, so there we have it. And they're not perfectly spaced, and they're not all perfectly 3/4 of an inch, but that's all right. That's all we need. We don't need the glue anymore. We're going to put that over here. So before I would start using this, if you use the glue, I would let it dry. So after you get all your sticks put on here, you're going to need to use your marker to mark one that will be your starting point. So we're going to put a dot right here, and that way you'll be able to know when you've come around how many rows you've done, and when we get ready to take the yarn off, where to start with that. So I've already got one over here that I made earlier that's dry, so we're going to bring that back in, and I will show you how to cast on and do a few rounds and then cast off. So first what we want to do is make a slip knot. So now that you've made your slip knot, we're going to put that over the craft stick that has the dot on it. This part here, the short part, is called a tail. We're going to stick that down inside of the tube, and now we're going to start wrapping around the sticks. Don't wrap too tight, because once we get back around here and I wrap here, we're going to actually take the bottom one and pull it over the top. And if it's too tight, you'll have a little problem getting it up and over. So we're going to do that. And now we've come back around to our stick with the dot on it, so that means we have now completed 1 row. So you would need to continue to do this to make the little piece of yarn, knitted yarn, come out of the bottom of the tube, and it's going to be however long you want it for your project. But now let's say I'm finished and I want to take this off. So that's called casting off. So when we do that, we're going to start here again with the one with the dot. You're going to take this loop and you're going to bring it over to the popsicle stick here and lift the bottom string over the top. Take this loop now to the next popsicle stick, bring that up over here, again over here, take pick it up off of the stick. Now take this one to your last loop, let over here, and then you'll take it off, and you will take this string, take your scissors, cut it, and take this in and feed it through this loop and pull it to secure it. And now you have it off. Depending on what you want to make, you would then weave this through the bottom. But you can find patterns too that will tell you what to do. So that's basically how to make a Knitting Nancy and start your yarn project. I hope you'll have fun with this activity. And for more activity kits from Dallas Public Library, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.